Hi boys and girls, this is Mr. Yates, and I had a little bit of computer issues with the first video that went over the word problem of the day for Wednesday, May 6th. So I've already got it written up, so we're just going to go over the write-up and explain to you how it was solved. First of all, I want you to look right here. We have an answer sentence that Rafi will need 9 cans of cat food to feed his cats for 6 days. And I'm going to go ahead and explain to you how I got there. First of all, I used a model, and my model is going to be, first I list the Rafi's cans of cat food. Make sure your model has a name. The reason why is because I'm showing the cat food cans all along here. What I did is I noticed that Rafi feeds his cat in the morning 5/6 of a can of cat food, and in the evening 2/3 of a can of cat food. So I made that 1 day's worth of cat food, and I labeled it as 1 day. Now what I could do now is I knew that Rafi was feeding his cat over 6 days, so I took that 1 day of cat food, that's right here, and I just went ahead and did that 6 different times. So I went ahead and I took the first days of cat food, which is 5/6 in the evening and 2/3 in the morning, and I went and did that for day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, and day 6. So I should have about 6 5/6 and 2/3 6 times as well too. For a question mark, total cans at the end. Once I got my model all set up, I found that the best way to make this expression was to take the day 1 morning and evening cat food, which was 2/3 or 5/6 in the morning, and then in the evening was 2/3 of a can, and I put that in parentheses and decided to add those together. Since that would give me the day 1's worth of cat food, then I can multiply the first day by 6 to get the total amount of cat food cans that the cat is eating over 6 days. So what I did first, once I solved it, or when I'm trying to solve this one, is I would go ahead and I needed to add up 5/6 and 1/2. I had to change 2/3 into 4/6, and then I could add 5 plus 4, and that got me 9/6. I didn't simplify that right away because I had to multiply by 6 anyway, so I knew I'd have to turn this into a fraction, 9/6. So I just left it that way, and I needed to turn the 6 into 6/1 so I could multiply across. I took 9 times 6 and got 54, and 6 times 1 equals 6. Then what I did is I divided over here sideways 54 divided by 6. And that's pretty much a basic math fact, so it was pretty easy. It was 6 times 9 is 54 with no remainder. So by getting that 9 total cans of cat food, when I divided, I put that in my answer sentence right here. So boys and girls, Rafi, again, will need 9 cans of cat food to feed his cats for 6 days. Take a look at the model, take a look at the expression. Make sure that you keep this because you will be using it hopefully as a cheat sheet on the Friday Word Problem of the Day test. So thanks for checking in with us, boys and girls, and we'll talk to you tomorrow for the Thursday Word Problem of the Day. Bye-bye.